Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. I hope you all did very well yesterday, ending up in green. I did pretty well. Let's see what we have right now. As per the 4 hour chart, I am very bearish. We have a lot of resistance on the top, and look at the price action. All these tails, this tail made a high here, and right now, I mean, right now. I really want to short it right now, if I honestly tell you that. Right now it's a very good shot that we have three targets below. We have one target which is 1990, the other target is 1982, but the basically, when we saw this kind of a sell off, the next bounce, no matter what, we are going down. And we are going down means we are looking at either 1996, or this is a new trend line which I have changed this trend line. Let me show you guys. I mean, this trend line was before, it was from here, from these bottoms. But right now, I've changed this trend line to here, and I think this trend line can be tested very soon. Today, if the profit takers come in, if the short sellers come in, they will be taking some short positions. They are looking for a deeper pullback here, definitely a very deeper pullback. So I think we can test this blue trend line today, or we can test this blue trend line very soon. Possibly this box, this rectangle box, I have it here. I think the price going to go a little bit like this way for some time. We can test 1966 or 1956 very soon. The worst case scenario is that we will be testing our 1919 again and making a good solid base for the next leg up. Is it going to be a short? It's not going to be correction. It's not going to be a bear trend. It's not going to be a bearish market. It's going to be a deeper pullback as of now. My support is 1919. If we go below 1919, then I'll think that things are not right. We can look for a next bear leg down. But as of now, deeper pullback. As of now, I'm looking to short the market. As of now, everything is that I want to short this market after open, or now, or something like that. This is very bearish. There is one more trend line which we can draw here. Is this, if it poke through this trade well above this, then we have a resistance here which is 205. We have resistance here 2010, 2011. We have resistance here 2017. And whereas the targets at the bottom are looking so clean, so beautiful, that it's it's a beautiful shot. I might short the market before even it open, and even if it goes higher, I'll scale with this trend line. I'll scale up to 206 or something like that. 206 will be a stop, 10-point stop, but this 10 point can give me a good peaceful 10 points. This is the higher probability what I'm looking right now. I can be wrong as well, but the probability is that we are going down. The probability is we're looking for a deeper shot setting here. So the simple trend lines right now, right now we are getting into more of a trading range here. I think we can get more trading range price action here, going towards lower. This is one, this is two, maybe this is going to be a third head and shoulder, nested head and shoulder, and we can see a deeper pullback here. Let me look at the monthly here very quick. I mean, honestly, this monthly guy, I believe that whatever pullback come, even if we see a pullback which is 1966, which will be the 50% pullback, we are going up. Monthly is bullish, but again, in monthly we have 2 more weeks. This week is not ended yet. We have 2 more weeks. It's just 11th. We have almost two good trading days, 10-15 good trading days left over still, where we can easily see a pullback and then a bounce. Monthly is bullish. Monthly, I believe we will be testing this green line very soon, and we will be going then going for a deeper leg down. So as of now, from a shorter time frame, for a 4 hour time frame, for a day trader's time frame, it's a shot. For a long term guys who are buying calls or puts or whatever they're doing right now, we can test a 50% pullback here, and then we can see if we go for the next leg up or not. But there are higher probability that we can go up. I mean, very high probability. If we close below the 50% in this month, then we might test the low of this purple trend line. Let's go with the I mean 5 minute right now. It does not seems like like it has bounced up, definitely bounced up, but I believe that like this bounce is more likely a short covering whichever these guys have done. This is a dead cat's bounce. Like we can see this blue trend line today. Like there are chances. I'm going to be more bearish here than bullish as of now. Let's go to the daily here. I mean, if you see daily, we saw this dodgy candle. We saw this. Right now, we are trying to make two higher highs, and like we can retest the low of this blue trend line. Possibilities again that we are going down. We are testing lower. We are getting ready for the pullback. For the breakout, for aggressive breakout, we need to take a lot of resistance, which as of now I do not think is at all possible. I do not think that it'll I think we are not. We need to get a deeper pullback here. I'm more bearish right now, more looking for a deeper pullback here right now than looking for any leg up. Somebody just asked me that what I see in this guy here. I mean, if you see, I mean, in this guy here, if you guys remember these trend lines here, I had these targets, like we can go above this, and I did made good money. I was long here. I bought this. I was long here. Right now, I'm short here. Like this is too aggressive. Like this is something which is a very big tail, aggressive selling going on. They have shorted the exhaustion candle, and we are making double high as well. I think that we are testing this to 1254, or we can test 1249 today or sometime very soon. This gold is very short. Like we can easily get a good short entry here. If you remember, I posted this triangle that we're getting for the breakout, and these are the targets above. So you see we got all the targets. Price action is the key to make a good money, to make a very very reliable money, where we can rely, where we can see that okay, these are the higher probabilities, and we can make a lot of money in there. So I would advise, like do not depend on any indicators. Go with your price action, and price action can give you a big edge to your trading. And we should look for something which is not lagging, which is leading the market, and price action is leading the market. It's not lagging. So over here, I think we are going down. I think we will be testing this. I will be looking to short the market at open, and get us some like first hour or 30 minutes of a sell-off, and cash that sell-off and call it a day. Thank you guys. I'll see you on Monday. I'll see you on the weekend as well. I'm making one video where how to manage stops and how to do the options and everything. I was a little busy lately, but I'll make it this week and I'll share it with you guys. Have a great, wonderful day, and I hope you all end up in green. Bye bye.